6. Now we will present about reported speech. First of all, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Putri Nandi Abdullah with student number 26.
My name is Vanessa Syamtrimani with student number 27.
My name is Melina Fidarani with student number 3.
My name is Nifa Rahmat Putri with student number 8.
My name is Tahija Bedisari with student number 19.
My name is Marisa Yonanda with student number 7.
My name is Rosa Putri with student number 10.
My name is Mesaluna Aura Putri with student number 23.
My name is Ina Santika Putri with student number 39.
Before learning about reported speech, we need to understand that there are two ways to convey someone's words or message. These are direct speech and indirect speech.
Direct speech is used to report someone's exact words. The original sentence is written inside quotation marks without any change. For example, she said, "I am beautiful." Here, the speaker's words remain exactly the same as the original statement.
Next, I will explain indirect speech or reported speech. In reported speech, some changes are made in original words of the person because these words have been uttered in past, so the tense will change accordingly and pronoun may also change accordingly. So, reported speech or indirect speech is used to repeat or state what someone else said. Unlike direct speech, it rarely uses quotation marks and usually shifts the verb tense back one step into the past. For example, in direct speech, "I'm angry" becomes "Ben said he was angry." The tense change will be explained by my friend.
In this slide, we explain about changing tenses. If direct, we take the point of view from the third person. If direct, we take the point of view from the first person or second person. Simple present change to simple past. Direct, he said, "I like music." Report, she said that she liked music. Present continuous change to past continuous. Direct, he said, "I'm studying." Report, he said that he was studying. Present perfect change into the past perfect. Direct, she said, "I have finished my homework." Report, she said that she had finished her homework. Simple past change to past perfect. Direct, he said, "I visited Bali." Report, he said that he had visited Bali. Past continuous change to past perfect continuous. Direct, she said, "I was reading." Report, he said that she had been reading.
So the conditions were two types: direct or Kenneth Zenons and indirect or Kate Jackson. The first one is statement. The statement we can change into that. The second is imperative, we can change into to or not to. The third is speaking in imperative sentence with please. We can change the request please to. So for the fourth, we have yes or no questions. We can change into if or whether. So the fifth, we have W or H questions. We can change the what, when, how, etc. For the last, we have order. We can change into told plus to.
First, simple present changes into simple past. For example, "I am happy" becomes "he said that he was happy." Second, present continuous changes into past continuous. For example, "I am playing with my brother" becomes "he said that he was playing with his brother." Third, present perfect changes into past perfect. For example, "I have waited here for a long time" becomes "she said that she had waited there for a long time." And the last, present perfect continuous changes into past perfect continuous. For example, "I have been working here for 2 years" becomes Arun said that he had been working there for 2 years.
In this part, we can see how different types of sentences change when we convert them into reported speech. First, we have simple future tense. For example, she said, I will pass the exam. When we change it into reported speech, it becomes, she said that she would pass the exam. So, will changes into would because of backseat. Next example, I can do it. In reported speech, it becomes he said that he could do it. So, here can changes into could. Another example is may I go out? In reported speech, it becomes she wanted to know if she might go out. So, may changes into might, and because it's questions, we also use if. And last example is she must apply for the job. In reported speech, it becomes he said that she must or had to apply for the job. So, must can stay must or change into had to depending on the context. So, from this example, we can see that modal verbs also change in reported speech, not only tense. And these changes helps us show that the statement was said in the past.
Okay, now let's talk about reporting question. Basically, there are two types of question. We can report WH question and yes or no question. First, let's look at WH question. This question uses words like why, what, where, when, who, or how. For example, why didn't you come yesterday? When we report this question, we keep the word why as a connector, change the tense if necessary, and change the question structure into a statement structure. So it becomes, he asked me why I didn't come yesterday. Second, we have yes or no question. There are questions that can be answered with yes or no and usually begin with auxiliary verbs such as do, does, did, is, are, or can. For example, do you write poems? Since there is no WH words, we use if or whether as a connector. So it becomes, she asks me if I wrote poems, or she asks me whether I wrote poems. In summary, for WH question, we keep the original question word as the connector. For yes or no question, we use if or whether. Also, remember that the question structure changes into a statement structure in reported speech.
The next slide is an examples for reporting an order, and we change the direct speech into the told plus to, such as he told the child to go to bed, or so here we have an examples for WH question and yes or no questions. Such in conjunction, we have a WH questions, we change it to verb to, like he asked me why I didn't come yesterday. And for